This is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
What table would you like to have? That one? I love churros so much, so I was so happy to be back at this place that Elsa took me to.
I think he said like first he'll bring the tortas and then he'll bring the churros. Yeah, I think that's better.
Yeah, because then it's a dessert.
Yeah. Es mejor la primer torta y...
Primero las tortas y al final
Sí, gracias. I haven't tried the ham and cheese yet. I was in love with the pollo. I'm gonna try the ham and cheese this time for the first time.
Go ahead.
It's good. So, get in there. It's so good. It's a super flavorful sandwich, but still really, really light. Thank you. Still really light, and the bread is so crunchy and crispy. It's super delicious. I don't know what kind of salsa they have on it.
Es chile chipotle.
Ah, it's chipotle. Yeah.
But if you want jalapeno, we can ask for it as well.
No. It's just so easy to eat. So good. Try yours.
Okay. Here we go.
For this one in the pollo.
Oh,
Take a look at this. So this is the charm of queso Oaxaca.
I like them both equally. They're just different.
How would you say it? When it's melt and then
It melts and it pulls really well. It's kind of like a provecho. That's just like your childhood, right? Can I have a bite of yours?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. If it's what I remember.
I love this flavor.
Yeah, the chicken one is very good also.
Do you want some sauce?
She has the chicken one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Here's the other flavor, Milanesa. This one's Anna's.
So muy rica.
Wow, look at the cheese.
Wow.
That's Oaxaca cheese.
That's a charm of Oaxaca.
Wow, this one's really, really good. Anna, you're gonna love this one. They're all different. They're all really delicious. The Milanese is a type of beef, right? Yeah. It's really, really good. They all have the chipotle sauce. They all have the same tomato and cheese and onions. And the really light, crispy bread. It's super good. Still waiting for our churros, but still.
Do you want to smell this?
Sure.
It's a cinnamon.
Yeah. Okay, let me try mine. So mine has like more bittersweet chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. So good. Oh, yum. It's like the best hot chocolate you've ever had.
I'm glad you like this.
And it's perfect because it's winter here. So we're cold. So we want hot chocolate.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Now we just wait for our fresh hot churros.
So delicious.
I think it's bringing them.
Oh, I see all of our baskets. Wow.
They're
Un
coming.
montón de churros.
Sí. Buenísimo.
Wow, here they come.
Oh,
Wow.
gracias. Qué delicia.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias, qué atento.
Wow, looks so good. I want this one, like without.
Sí.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm still gonna try, Sally. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try it without dipping it and then with dipping it. They're so good. Crunchy, they're still warm, really soft in the middle. Like almost slightly like an eggy a little bit. Not eggy, but it has a soft center. And then you put it in your hot chocolate, mix it around a little bit.
Perfecto. Have a bite.
And that's churros y chocolate.
Riquísimo.
So?
Me encanta.
Chicas,
¿A comer?
let's just enjoy our
Perfecto.
churros feast.
Yo también quiero.
Buen apetito. Provecho. Gracias. I love the ridges. They make it so crispy.
This is the perfect meal to have when you're a little bit drunk and you've just been riding around on a boat for a few hours in the sunshine.
Okay. That was very successful and very delicious. And now, after such a long day of eating and drinking, we're gonna just rest. So we're gonna meet Guido and head back to Condesa.
Ya sabías que estaba.
Get thee to a nunnery.